Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install a new belt on your trimming system. First, unplug your trimmer. Then remove the belt cover, top cover, upper frame, and tumbler. Next, remove the used belt. We suggest you apply the brakes on your trimmer's wheels. Grab a hold of the belt and while spinning it, pull it towards you, out of the pulley groove. To install a new belt, start by placing the belt on the lower pulley, then onto the outer rim of the top pulley. You can use the screwdriver for an easier installation. Guide the belt inside of the groove. This may take you a couple of tries. Once the belt is installed, manually spin it to make sure that it doesn't get caught on anything. You can now reassemble your trimmer. When switching from a green belt to a black belt, you will need to change the pulleys. Please refer to our guide, How to Replace the Pulleys.